Gunners, I'm back. Are you back? Trying to introduce new intros. How am I doing? I hope you guys enjoyed the brake tuck video. It's super detailed, and I hope I just wish a lot of you got a lot of knowledge from it. That's all I wish for, man. I hope that you guys are believing in yourself to install somewhat these complicated parts. And that's basically it. Today we're moving on to Kobe with more stuff. We got some hardware in. We'll share with you guys. Maybe we'll install some. And progression. Just another update. More videos. 40s with me.
Hi. Yo.
Keep gunning. All right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right. All right, guys. Yep, all right. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Want to give a huge shout out to Frank Downstar. When I tell you he nailed this color of the anodized purple, he nailed it. So this is his motor mount kit. Now this is for the Hassport. Oh man, look at this. It looks like a snake. So he sells the kit exactly made for these motor mounts. Remember when I was putting all this stuff in, I was like, hey guys, don't kill me yet. I still got more hardware to do. But he ended up sending us all of this, and all the packages are labeled exactly where to go. So these are the strut hardware combo. This is the VTEC solenoid. This is the reverse lockout solenoid. This guy is the rack and subframe. Fire. I really needed that. That's nice. And then we got a bunch of fender stuff. We also got it with the zinced bolts. Just somewhat of like almost gold. You get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying and what I'm doing here. But thank you so much, Downstar. I appreciate you, man. We've been friends for a long time, and I appreciate you being a part of this build. But I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Oh, you know what? Oh, that's what this is for. Right here. Nice. Oh, that's going to look good on the black. Yeah, pause. That's going to look good. But, yeah. More progression. I'm honestly excited to see how this purple is going to match up on like the subframe and stuff. And it's pretty close. But I'm loving the anodized with like the gold zinc bolts. That's going to look really nice. So we've got every bolt that we need because Downstar provides every bolt. So remember, I left these guys pretty much loose because I knew I was going to switch up the hardware. But again, man, the detail into this car, we put all the plugs inside throughout the entire engine bay, throughout the entire chassis actually, so that none of the water gets into certain places where it could rust up. So I am just going to remove some of this bolts and see how this Downstar stuff looks, man. If you guys see Frank on Instagram or on his YouTube channel, just show him some love. Tell him thank you for helping out the Gunners, man. He's a real good dude. Real good guy for the sport. Always positive, never negative. Hell of a guy, man. 40, let me get the gun.
That one?
Yeah. Yeah, put the small battery on there. I'm just going to move this process a little bit quicker. Sorry, this is not like a huge fun clip, but... Okay, so... That's that. These bolts are also great to have around too. Just don't ever throw these out, obviously. It's always good to have spare stuff. But we are almost done. Just one more bolt to go. Everything is starting to come together, and this is the part that I like. I wanted to show you guys this part without the motor mount there. That looks so sick, man. It looks, and I don't know what the camera is with the yellow. I don't know what the camera is with the yellow, but that's definitely not like a banana yellow. Slap this motor mount on with the washer. This is going to look even nicer too. So I am going into the higher position, pause, because I want the motor to sit taller. You might have, I don't know. It depends on how the car looks, but probably depends on the ride height, but I could probably drop the motor down too. But look at that right there. Does that look good, Gunners? Does that look good? Okay, so obviously I know you guys are not going to just want to watch me put bolts in. So I'll do the rest, right? And then I'll show you what I come up with. And then we'll see if we can move on to more things that we can do with this chassis today. But so far, the Downstar stuff is looking sweet, man. You get your little washer in the back. You guys won't be missing nothing with these kits, man. Reach out to Frank. Tell him Aki sent you. He'll tighten you up, man. So guys, yeah, all the hardware that Frank Downstar provided, I ended up installing. I'm really loving the zinc look. He also sent the ones for the rack and pinion. So those two right there, I put these on just for display basically. And that's it right there. And you also got this one on the bottom here. That's on. But yeah, super cool, super dope. I've got way more bolts to go. And they've sent me a ton of stuff for the fenders, all the 10 mils. So let me know what you guys think, man. Thumbs up or thumbs down. So we took off the master cylinder because it was really pissing me off how dirty it was. So 40's cleaning it up now. Look how clean we got the filter. Oh, you all right? You're making a tsunami over here. But we're gonna clean up this master cylinder real nice and clean. I hated it on video. I hated looking at it, how dirty it was inside. But can't wait to put it back on. Heading into prepping the gas tank. So we're gonna strip off this, basically this undercoating here, and we're gonna end up coating it ourselves. Because I did not want to put this gas tank in this awful condition on this beautiful chassis. So we are going to clean this guy up right here. Remove all this, wash it a few times, preparation, sand it, and then paint it with the undercoating. But it's coming off pretty easy. Get rid of all of this. Well, after countless sessions of cleaning it, we cleaned it about 3-4 times. We got it to ready for paint. So we'll let this guy dry up as much as possible, put some heat on it from the inside, and just simply paint it with a nice undercoating. This is going to go on this, so we need it. This is going to be in this vicinity right here. We want it to look nice and clean because we are going to kill the fuel system. We are going to make all you guys into builders with this build right here, man. You guys are going to be able to build your own car based off the knowledge on these vlogs. Don't mind the overspray. It's just kind of dusty. I'm going to get rid of all this. We're just waiting until we have some good timing. So before the suspension actually goes on, we'll get rid of all this dust right here, and we'll be back to nice and clean. I've also got my filler neck here all prepped and sanded as best as we could, and we're just letting that heat ride on there. Yes, the toilet works. Yes, it works. It works. A little weak, but it works. Yeah, this is gonna go a nice matte black, trim black. I got one stage in. Just touching up everything here. And now I'll go in for the second stage. How are we looking, 40?
Good.
You looking good?
Yeah.
Okay. Final stage, all done. Trim black. Letting the heat do its job. Letting this guy dry up as good as possible. As best as possible. But it's definitely was needed for this right here. Because we are not leaving any screw unturned. Well, gunners, that's that. Gonna let the heat warm this guy up, make sure it dries up nice. We kept a thicker coating on there, and then we just trim black the we bumper coated the middle. So definitely looks better from the beginning. While I'm waiting that for dry, while that second stage went in, I went ahead and reinstalled this. So it looks much better clean. I'm finally happy now. Cleaned up the cap real nice. But this is coming together well. I am really feeling this zinc, man, and this purple on this yellow. It looks so dope. Well, gunners, that's all I got for you today, man. More progression, closer and closer to our goal, right? I want to there's some stuff that came for Killer Bee, but I don't want to put that content out yet. I'm probably going to start saving some stuff for Killer Bee near the giveaway date, because I kind of feel like Kobe is overshadowing Killer Bee right now, which is the next giveaway. May 15th, keepgunning.com. 47-hour sale, that is it. Get in, try to get lucky, a real giveaway. May 15th, keepgunning.com. I've got to run to the post office. I've got to ship out some diffusers for some gunners, some other orders, some hoodies. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. Please, I'm begging you, give me a like on the video. Give me something. Give me a comment. Yeah, progression. It's Tuesday. We're moving along. We should have a lot of parts come in this week. Cylinder Head will be here next vlog. And that's it. Yeah, I love you guys, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This guy didn't. I don't know what happened to him today. Yeah, keep gunning.